You finally did the responsible thing. You started saving, 100 here, 200 there, whatever survived the week. You felt disciplined, like an adult with a drawer that closes all the way. Then you opened your banking app, $10,000, sitting in savings, earning 0.5%, which is $50 a year, $50, for 12 months of restraint.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f*** is that?
That's not a reward. That's a participation trophy with a routing number. Your bank calls this a high-yield savings account. The yield has the energy of a houseplant, technically alive, doing nothing, slowly. Meanwhile, everyone keeps saying words, index funds, compound growth, portfolio, confidently, the way people say wine words. And you start to suspect you might be doing this wrong. You are, a little. Let me explain, calmly. Saving money by itself will almost never make you rich. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. Two completely different jobs. Your savings account is a security guard. Reliable, unambitious, not getting a promotion. Here's the math, without enthusiasm. $10,000 at 1% after 20 years is about $12,200. 2 decades. $2,000. The bank thanks you for your service. The same $10,000 invested at the market's historical average of about 10%, after 20 years, around $67,000. Same money, same person, same password you've used since 2011.
Same, but different.
The only thing that changed was which bucket you put it in. Most people never make the jump, and the reason isn't math, it's emotional. Saving feels safe. It just sits there glowing softly like a nightlight. Investing moves. Up, down, sometimes down 5% on a Tuesday for no reason anyone will explain to you. And your brain files that under danger. The same brain that pays for 3 streaming services to watch one show. We do it in stages, like easing into a cold pool while lying about how cold it is. Step 1. Build a real emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses, in cash, in savings, where it is boring and safe.
Boring!
This is not investing money. This is the car made a noise money, the tooth situation money, the my landlord used the word unfortunately money. Because here's why people panic sell at the worst possible moment. They needed the cash and had nowhere else to get it. An emergency fund protects your investments from your own life, which is, statistically, their biggest threat. Step 2. Separate saving from investing in your head. 2 buckets. Bucket 1. Safety money. It does not move. It is not allowed to have dreams. Bucket 2. Growth money. It's allowed to move, because moving is its entire job. Simple. It also stops you from panicking, which is the actual feature. Step 3. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars. You can begin with 50, 100. The goal isn't to get rich this quarter. The goal is the habit. The amount barely matters. You're not trying to win. You're trying to show up, like the gym. Except this one actually works while you're not there. Step 4. Keep it simple. This is where people go wrong. They open the app, feel powerful, and discover options, crypto, and a man online whispering about a coin. They treat their savings like a casino, with worse odds, and no free drinks. Don't. Buy an index fund. It quietly owns hundreds of companies at once. Instead of betting on one horse, you buy the whole track. Diversified, low cost, and deeply, profoundly boring. Warren Buffett, a man reasonably good at money, recommends exactly this for most people, including, statistically, you. And now the most powerful strategy of all, which is also the most boring, which is the theme of this entire video: consistency. $300 a month, 8%, 25 years. You end up with about $285,000. You only put in $90,000.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
The other $195,000 showed up on its own, while you were asleep, or at work, or arguing with a stranger online. That's compounding. It does the work while you do nothing. The best kind of work. But what if the market crashes? It will. It always does. On a schedule nobody can predict, but everybody can feel. A crash is a sale. When prices drop, Your monthly contribution quietly buys more shares for less. The people who stay calm during a crash aren't braver than you. They just think in decades. You're thinking in Tuesdays. So, the whole plan. Build the emergency fund. Split the buckets. Start small. Keep it boring, then wait a long time, longer than feels reasonable. Saving gives you stability. Investing gives you freedom. One keeps the lights on. The other eventually pays the bill without checking your balance first.
So no, money doesn't grow on trees. It grows in index funds, slowly, while you forget about it, which, it turns out, was the plan all along. Subscribe. It's free, which, in this economy, makes it the best performing asset you own. Peace.